The BigCommerce connector was developed for Acumatica by Kenzium. The connector is now a part of core Acumatica since 2020 R1. Simply enable the connector within your Acumatica screens, and you'll be able to start syncing items over to your BigCommerce store. Some of the great features of having a BigCommerce connector with your Acumatica ERP is the reduction in double entry. No need to move things manually over from one system to another. We can move in real-time syncs, so all of your products, orders, customers, and shipment records are being sent in real time between both systems. So no need to manually enter anything in. Everything will come into your system quickly and efficiently.